My junior high best friend gave me a sprouting kit. So I'm gonna show you how you can use that to sprout your own seeds, add them to soup, salads, sandwiches. They're super nutritious. And I also make another video showing you how to do it without a kit. First, we're gonna start by filling our container up to the fill line with water. We're using our reverse osmosis filtered water. Okay, the next step is to put in the seeds. So you can see the seeds are under this transparent, like parchment paper like thing. You want to probably hold it down for about 10 seconds so it gets wet and then it doesn't float up. And in about 5 days, as the seeds start to sprout, we will peel off the top layer. So you could see the sprouts have popped through, so I'm going to remove this paper and these will continue growing. So I peeled off all the paper, and as you can see, we have these awesome sprouts that we can start eating with our sandwiches, put it on salads, throw it on top of a soup. Super nutritious.